The Spheros series of spin reels have been a Shimano workhorse for many years, and the SW Spheros takes it to the next level. These are just as tough as the original Spheros reels, but a lot prettier to look at. They also incorporate X-Shield, which is a series of gaskets that stop water getting into the works of the reel, greatly prolonging its life. And of course, they have X-Shift. That means that the pinion gear is fully supported by bearings, making it much stronger and smoother under load. They've got a cross-carbon drag system with anything from 10 to 18 kilos of drag, depending on the size of the reel. What does that mean to you in fishing terms? It means you can screw that drag up with a spoolful of braid, crank away on the biggest and strongest of fish. With that cold forged aluminium handle, nothing is going to fail. This is the thing to stop monsters with.